Okay, hey guys. Gonna try to do a little screen record here to show you how to resize drawings on multiple frames across multiple frames. So see, I got a little thing, a little flower here, and it's too small in the middle of the frame. So um, you got your onion skin here, but right next to that is this guy. It says Edit Multiple Frames. Pow. So you click that, and then you come back over here and you're going to see this kind of sneaky and sometimes hard to grab little, I don't know what this is called, like frame selector thing here. You want to drag this out to cover all the frames that you want to select. So if you tap here and you come over here and this is only over one frame like it is now, you won't be able to select all of them. Just pull that out, pow. Got all your frames there. Um, and the reason that this is annoying is because once you do that, you then have to click and select all of the frames on the keyframes themselves. Make sure they're blue to get all of the drawings here selected. Then hit Q to transform, hold Shift to keep it at scale, and then you just drag that wherever. You can pull them and move them around. But something that is important, I think, to know when you're doing this kind of thing is how do I move this? This anchor point here is a helpful tool when you're resizing things, especially when you want to keep them in like registered in their position, right? This little anchor point here is a set. It's the anchor. It's where your objects will zoom and shrink from. If you guys don't know anchor points already, um, from your other digital adventures, um, but you know, say you had within your staging, right, within your frame here, you drew your flowers down here. If you left your anchor point in the middle and you tried to resize that, you'd get this, right, and then you'd have to like, oh no, where was it before? Nudge it up. Oh, I hope that matches. I hope that's right. Um, but with this, say you want to keep it registered here to the floor, drag that down before you resize, then hold Shift, and pow. Um, I say pow too much. Um, but yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. Um, I I'm generally on Discord. Um, if I take forever to respond, that's because I'm cooking or working on freelance or something. But I will be back, and good luck this week, guys. You're gonna crush it.